You have been lied to. Not once. Every single day. They sold you a dream and kept the profit. Passive income. 2 words. They repeat it everywhere, but nobody shows you the bill behind it. You watched the videos, read the books, maybe even paid for the course, still waiting for the money to flow in. That feeling in your chest right now. That is not failure. That is the system working exactly as designed. Next 10 minutes will destroy everything you believed about passive income. You will never see it the same way again. Every guru selling passive income courses, every influencer showing laptop on the beach, they all have one thing in common. You are the product. I'm about to show you what they spent millions hiding, the real math behind passive income. Stay with me. This is the video the passive income industry does not want you to find. You found it anyway. Meet Daniel, age 32, accountant, steady job, good salary. But every month felt like running on a treadmill going nowhere. Daniel found a YouTube channel. The guy had yachts, watches, automated income, $300 to unlock the secret. Daniel paid, got the PDF, got the modules, spent 4 months building the system they described, made $11. He blamed himself, thought he was not smart enough, not consistent enough. That self-blame was also part of the design. Daniel is not alone. 78% of people who buy passive income courses make less than their course cost back. Ever. You bought the dream because you were tired. Tired of trading time for money. Tired of watching others seem to have more. That exhaustion is real. That desire is legitimate. But the product they sold you was built to fail you. Think about the last time you believed. Truly believed this time would be different. Remember how that felt. You sacrificed weekends, skipped sleep, told your family you were building something, and it still did not work. That hurt is what they counted on. Desperate people spend more. Your pain was their business model. I am not here to make you feel worse. I am here because someone needs to tell you the truth. And the truth is, real passive income exists, but not how they sell it. What I'm about to show you next has never been in any course you paid for, because if you knew this, they lose everything. Rule 1. Real passive income requires active capital first, not your time, your money working. No capital, no passive income. Full stop. Every rental property, every dividend stock, every business that runs without you, all required massive active work and capital first. The gurus skipped that part. They showed you the beach, the freedom. They never showed you the decade of work before it. Selling a passive income course is their passive income. You paying for the course is the model. You were never the student. You were always the product. Think about that. The only person generating passive income from that transaction was the person selling you the course about passive income. Real Rule 1 application. Build your capital base first. Even $50 a month invested consistently. That seed is what grows passive income, not a course. Warren Buffett built passive income for 40 years before most people noticed he was rich. 40 years, not 40 days. The course sold you 40 days. Reality demands 40 months minimum. Anyone promising faster is stealing from you. Rule 1 is not discouraging. Rule 1 is liberating. Because now you know exactly what the game actually requires. You cannot win a game you do not understand. Now you understand Rule 1. Hold on. Rule 2 is where it gets darker. Rule 2. Attention is the new currency, and they have been mining yours for free. Every scroll, every click, every view. The passive income gurus do not sell knowledge. They sell hope packaged as knowledge. Hope is the most profitable product ever invented. They study your pain points. They run ads targeting your exact frustration. They know you better than your own bank does. Your attention spent watching passive income content could have been spent building actual skills. Skills that create real income streams. Coding, writing, sales, design, analysis. Any one of these mastered creates real income. No course needed. No guru. Just you. Rule 2 applied. Protect your attention like money. Because it is money. Every hour you give them free is an hour you do not get back. The most successful people you admire consume very little passive income content. They are too busy building the actual thing. Rule 2 is not about quitting learning. It is about learning only what you will use this week. Specific, actionable, immediately applied. Princeton University, 2019. They studied 4,000 adults chasing passive income online. The result shocked every economist in the room. 94% of people who pursued online passive income systems for over 1 year ended with less money than when they started. Not broke, even. Less. They spent on courses, software, subscriptions, ads. The passive income industry made money. They did not. The study also found something more disturbing. The more courses purchased, the less money made. More education in this space actually made outcomes worse. Why? Because buying a course gives you the feeling of progress, without the actual work of progress. Your brain rewards purchase, not results. You felt productive buying the course. That feeling was the product, not the income. The feeling. Rule 3. The only passive income that works starts with something you already know how to do, not something you paid to learn from a stranger. Your job right now contains skills worth money. Skills people pay for every single day. You just never packaged them correctly. A teacher who builds a course from what they already teach. An accountant who creates templates from what they already do. That is real passive income, built from real expertise. The difference: zero learning curve, zero startup cost for knowledge. You already own the most valuable asset, your expertise. Stop asking what passive income you should build. Start asking, what do people already pay me for? The answer is already inside your working life. Harvard Business School, 2021. Professionals who monetized existing expertise earned 4 times more in passive income than course buyers. 4 times more. With less investment, less time, less risk, because they started from truth, not from a stranger's promise. Rule 3 is the one rule they never teach in courses, because if you apply Rule 3, you never need their course again. That is why it is hidden. Now let me show you the real enemy, not the gurus, not the platforms. The enemy is the architecture they built around your mind. They built a loop: content, hope, purchase, failure, shame. Then back to content for comfort. You have been inside that loop for years. The shame after failure is the most powerful retention tool. Shame keeps you consuming, because consuming feels safer than trying again. Your enemy is not a person. Your enemy is the loop itself. And today, you just became aware of it. Awareness is the only exit. Most people never get it. You just did. Here is what real transformation looks like. Not overnight. Not a course. One skill. One stream. Built from what you already know. Capital first. Attention protected. Expertise monetized. 3 rules. 0 gurus needed. This is how the game is actually won. Next video. The psychological trick keeping you locked in the paycheck to paycheck trap. Subscribe now. You cannot afford to miss that one.